In this part of our training, we are explaining the making Plenum level, and this is for showing any spaces which have no conditions, and as a application of this is for returning the air, or maybe it has other application too, but it is not in our conditions. I go to East, our level elevations. It is not important which one. I made show type to wireframe from the architect tab. From properties, I select Plenum. I add my own level. This is one of them, another one. Select both, maximize 3D extents. I select them, I unlock it and move it to the left, and for these two, move it to the left side. I select it again. I rename it to Plenum L1. Would you like to rename corresponding views? From project browser, I select yes. Here to Plenum L2. Yes. Like this. There's a problem. It is not important to select yes always. Sometimes you have to use no. Okay, we are aligning. Here we have lots of error here. I made a section here. I just double click for regulating. I select align. It's upper side of the dropping roof. I select upper side of the drop roof, and after that select level. Close this. Our Plenum levels have been made. I move them. This is my Plenum level from properties window. Discipline is as a mechanical, or subdiscipline as a HVAC must be changed. I explained them before. View template to num until we made them. I select Plenum number 1. I type subdiscipline Plenum, view, apply, and do this for Plenum number 2. Okay, select from the subdiscipline as a disciplines and subdisciplines have been made. Our discipline is mechanical. I select Plenum level 1. I try to spacing this area level 1 Plenum. From the Analyze tab, I use space. It is important, if I select space now, all the spaces from lower floors are shown. And I should set the view range I go to the sections, I create a section. I have to explain something here. I put this amount for this. I create a dimensions here. This, how much is this amount? 1 foot 6 inches, and also for upper part. I close this window. Plenum level 1, view range, top as level 2, cut plane. I put it lower amount for this from 1.16, for example 1. Okay. I select the space. We have different types of spaces here. Limit offset is clear here. I put an amount for offset level Plenum level 1. I put an amount 1.6 inches, and just click one time like this, and finally double click here. Now from View tab, go to Visibility Graphics. I select the space. As you can see, our spaces are placed here and here, exactly from Plenum to bottom of the upper floor. From a space window, I can separate them. Move the window to the right side and move it to the left side. I select the space number 18. I check the Plenum checkbox for here and here. You can use Shift button and put Shift down and click the last one, and then you can check.